Hi, I'm Curly Sue and welcome to Curly Sue's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a vegan nut roast. Now, some people when they think of nut roast, they think it's boring and bland and not much to it. But I promise you, if you put the right ingredients in it, it can taste amazing. So what do you need? You need some crushed mixed nuts, and all the measurements for this recipe are in the comment section below so you can get the full recipe there. Some breadcrumbs. Now it can be wholemeal breadcrumbs, golden breadcrumbs, whichever breadcrumbs you like. You can get the store-bought one or you can even make them yourself, which is even better. Yeast extract, 1/4 pint of boiling water, salt, cayenne pepper, ground almonds, mixed herbs, a tiny little bit of oil and some finely sliced onions. Just a small onion is fine. So first of all, we're going to fry the onions. So we're going to put a little bit of oil into the pan with the onions. I'm going to take it over here. So we're just softening the onions. We're not cooking them all the way through. So once those are done, then just bring it back and you place them into your bowl, like so. Then we're going to add the breadcrumbs, actually the mixed nuts, and then the breadcrumbs. Then you add your salt, cayenne pepper, just a pinch, not too much, ground almonds, mixed herbs, and just give that a stir. Don't forget, for the full recipe, have a look in the comment section below where there'll be the full recipe with measurements. So once that's all combined, then what you need to do is add the yeast extract to the boiling water. And once that's melted out into it, then you just pour that into the mixture and stir that all around. Just make sure all of the ingredients is covered with the liquid so there's no dry patches. And then you're ready to transfer this to your loaf tin and ready for baking. So we have our loaf tin and we just want to give it a light spray of oil, or you can grease it with butter, whichever is your preference. And then you just put your mixture in, and then you just need to level it out into your tin and make sure there's no gaps at the side so it comes out looking nice and even. So it doesn't rise or anything, whichever shape it is, that's more or less the shape it's going to be once it's finished baking. So you can kind of mold it out to how you would like it. And that's it. It's quick, easy and simple. And you can add other little ingredients of your choosing that you would like to kind of give it an extra kick or to kind of personalize it for how you like your nut roast to taste. And then all it needs to do now is to pop it into the oven, gas mark 4, 350, 180 for about half an hour or until it's completely done and golden brown. So here we have the nut roast with the onion gravy. So now I'm going to taste it. Make sure you get some gravy and the nut roast at the same time. Very nice. A nutty but not too nutty taste and a slight sweet taste to it as well. And the onion gravy just makes it really nice so it's not dry or anything. And I serve it on a plate with greens on the bottom so it looks more colourful, because nut roast is just brown and that's it. But when you add a little bit of colour to it, because we eat with our eyes and not just with our mouths. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe. And don't forget to comment below in the comment section. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.